palm wood harvesting begins. Powerful saws cut the trunk. The logs are transported to the factory. Logs arrive at the processing line. The logs move deeper inside. High-pressure water cleans the logs. The bark is removed. Heat and pressure reshape the wood. The log is split into sections.
Palm waste moves for recycling.
Industrial shredders break it down. Logs become wood chips.
Robots spread the chips evenly.
Chips collect for fiber processing. The fibers are thoroughly washed. A dense fiber mat is formed.
Rollers remove excess water.
Heat and pressure form the board. The finished board emerges.
Boards are precisely cut.
Machines smooth the surface.
CNC machines carve detailed patterns.
Glue is applied with precision. The wood is shaped on a lathe. Dowels join the parts.
Robots sand the furniture.
A protective finish is applied.
The coating is cured with UV light.
Palm leaves become natural fibers.
The fibers are washed clean.
The fibers are dried. Metal combs align the fibers.
Fibers are wound into spools.
Strong fibers form rope. Each rope is strength tested.
Fibers are woven into mats.
Lasers cut precise patterns.
Edges are stitched for durability.
Wood chips become fuel pellets.
Pellets are packed for shipment.
Finished products are boxed. Bundles are secured for transport.
Materials move to storage.
Boxes receive sustainability labels.
Robots stack the pallets.
Pallets are secured with film.
Autonomous vehicles move pallets.
Automated cranes manage storage.
Each product receives a QR code.
Packages are automatically sorted.
Each shipment is verified.
Containers are lifted for transport.
The shipment leaves the factory.
Packaging is durability tested. Shipments are tracked in real time. Automation tests rope strength.
Autonomous cleaners maintain the floor.
Loading continues, rain or shine. Forklifts move goods through storage. Chips move through processing lines.
A fully automated mega factory.
The future of wood begins here.